You wouldn't believe how many Stihl rewind starters come across my bench in a given month where this is the only problem. I'm going to show you guys the most common mistake that people make when they put one of these things back together. Oh, I'm going to save you some money today, guys. Hey guys, welcome back to Steve's Small Engine Saloon again. Thanks for tuning in. This spring clip is put on backwards. That's what I see 50% of the time. See that? You pull that over and it doesn't work. You have a 50-50 chance of putting that wire clip on either backwards or properly. So when you put that back on your unit, and it's just going to be pulling over like this and nothing's going to be happening. It just pulls over and pulls over because that starter pawl is not kicking out because that wire is on backwards. Pull this starter off. Isn't that nice? You guys want to check one of these out? I got a link on my description of this video to get one of these things. Cordless tools rule. Let's get that starter off. Let's have a look in there. Here's what we got. You see that right there? That's your mechanism. It consists of a starter pawl and a little washer underneath of there, and then this spring clip thing right here. When you pull that starter, that rope slowly right there, that's what it should do. It pulls that pawl out to the outside of that circle, and that's what engages your starter. Here's an easy way to remember how to put this on properly. You can see on this chainsaw one right here, that pawl right there points to the right. And then the starter, the spring, that wire clip spring in there needs to point the exact same direction. It has to point to the right, and then it will work properly. It will push that starter pawl out to engage your starter. Here's the one that's wrong. You got that wire clip on backwards. The starter pawl right here is pointed to the left on this one, but the wire is pointed to the right. It's pointed the wrong direction, so that doesn't work. You flip that little wire around and now it's going to work properly. You did everything properly except that wire is on backwards. And there you go. That's a simple fix for you guys. That's a great fast fix. This is right and this is wrong. Right there. And of course, I know that most people who are actually making this mistake, they have their starter apart. The most common reason is because they're putting a new rope and they broke their rope. You could put a new rope in one of those and it hangs out like that, limp rope. I do have another video on my channel. At the end of this video, I got a clickable link there for you too. There you go. Save some money, guys. Do it yourself. Give me that thumbs up button, guys. I hope you liked it. Share this with your friends. Subscribe to my channel if you already haven't. Put some comments down. Let me know what you thought of this. I think that's a great little tip for you guys right there because, like I said, I see that come across my bench all the time. Super easy thing, 50-50 chance. Till the next video, guys, Steve out.